Jose Palafreco one more time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. On today's video, today's episode, we're gonna be upgrading our visibility at night. The way how we're gonna be doing it is by little maintenance. Our headlights, as you guys can see, they're already a little foggy, both of them. So I'm gonna buff them now a little bit, and I'm also going to be replacing the bulbs and installing some new LEDs. I got new LEDs with more illuminate, so it can shine brighter at night. So let's get to work. Oh, I already did one. Now you guys can see the difference. So as you guys can see, I just buff out the both headlights. They look pretty neat. Also put the new bolts, the new LEDs. This LED has about 16,000 luminance, so they should be really bright versus the one that I had before, which was 6,000 luminance. Let's see for tonight. I'm gonna test drive the car. Let's see how bright it look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We got more videos coming up. Jose Palafreco one more time.